How to properly lubricate the rotor drive bearings on your Denis Cimaf DAF head. Lubricating your machine regularly will ensure that your equipment runs smoothly and will extend the life of your machine. We recommend that you grease your Denis Cimaf mulcher every 8 hours of runtime. The tools you'll need to complete this task include a manual grease gun rather than electric grease gun, equipped with a 1/8 inch grease adapter, high speed, high temp, no moly, NGLI grade 2 grease with a drop point of at least 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Before you begin, make sure you're wearing the proper personal protective equipment required to complete this task. This includes safety glasses, a hard hat, steel-toed work boots, and leather work gloves. Warning: care should be taken to ensure that the machine is turned off and the rotor has come to a complete stop before performing any maintenance or inspection. Always perform the lockout, tag-out procedure before working on the equipment. Serious injury or death can occur if the engine is accidentally started. To begin, locate the relief valve on your rotor bearing. This is located on the top section of the bearing housing. Make sure the valve moves in and out easily. This valve allows for atmospheric pressure to equalize and provides an escape route for excess grease or grease that is overheated. Apply 2 to 3 shots from the grease gun into the grease zerk fitting. Turn the rotor manually to ensure the grease fills the bearing evenly. Now, let's move on to greasing the drive motor side of the rotor. To begin, locate the grease zerk fitting on the back of the drive motor housing. Apply 2 to 3 shots of grease into the grease zerk fitting. Turn the rotor manually to ensure the grease fills the bearing evenly. In the first week of operation, it's recommended that you verify the temperature of the bearing housing covers with an infrared thermometer. The amount of grease injected may vary by up to twice as much, depending on the grease gun used. You may have to increase the number of shots of grease used if the bearings are getting hot or overheating. Occasionally, grease may leak from the seals. It's advisable to check for the presence of leaks in the drive compartment once a week. We recommend you check the sides of the rotor whenever you sharpen your teeth. Your Denis Cimaf head is now ready to resume action and get back to clearing the way.